What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and this is the Laifen Wave. It's an electric toothbrush with innovative tech inside, and if you look at it, obviously a really sleek design. And if there's something worth showing you in the tech space, I'm going to show it to you. Now, I've used several electronic toothbrushes over the years, but I'm partnering with Laifen Wave for this video because it stands out for me as the most advanced toothbrush that's available today. Now let's start off by unboxing this thing to just show you everything inside. Here it is, the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. So let's unbox this. You get a good look at this nice, clean, modern design. I'm gonna flip it over and you have the, let's just call them familiar pull tabs. One, two, flip it back. All right, and shall we do the honors? Let's shake it off. Ooh, look at how clean this is. I mean, if you're talking about as minimalist of an electric toothbrush and as modern, you've got that glossy white coat finish. You can even see probably the light catching a little bit. So nice. And you have here the top that connects to the toothbrush head, which will, then there's the motor here. So let's go inside the box and see what else we have in here. Okay. Designed by Laifen. You have the USB-C charging cable, and then this connects down here magnetically. So let's pop this open. This even a fabric woven cable here. So we see the inspiration, but it's very clean, and let's just call it very familiar as well. So we have this cable here, all right, and then this magnetically connects here to the base like that. It's pretty easy to go, just like that. Pop, okay, there you go. Very nice, okay. And then here we have what appears to be 3 different heads. All right, look at, they're also color coded, blue, white, purple. Let's take this and pop this on here, something like this. And just look how easy and neat and minimalist this thing looks. This is really impressive. I know you're saying it to yourself, and I'm saying it. If Apple designed a toothbrush, this would be it, from the packaging to the actual toothbrush design, and then to the fabric magnetic charging cable, just down to all those details. So look, we showed you everything in the box, but let's talk about its design here. Now, this is a modern and sleek single piece design, and if you look all around it as I rotate it, there are no gaps in this handle at all. It's still really easy to grip, so there's no place for dirt or debris to just accumulate in it. And it's also IPX7 waterproof, so there is no way that it can get water damage. You know, I've had electric toothbrushes that just build up the gunk on the bottom and in the grooves over time, but this really truly seamless design prevents any buildup from happening. You also have this pressure sensitive power button, and once you find the sweet spot to hit it, it's really easy to use. And this design is the first for electric toothbrushes. It doesn't have any physical normal buttons. It's all touch, it's all integrated in here, and it's really what makes it look and feel like, I know it sounds silly, but the toothbrush of the future. Now, down at the bottom here, you're gonna have a 2.5-hour magnetic fast charging connection, and they can't call it MagSafe, but the design is so Apple-esque down to every detail, but it's also why it's so eye-catching. I mean, the cable literally magnetically snaps on, but you will need a USB-C charging brick of your own because it doesn't come with one in the box. And that also does sound very familiar. Now, you might not see it on the outside, but this design also uses nano molding technology for the first time in a toothbrush. And you're normally gonna see this in smartphones, but it actually fuses the handle and the internal components together to make it more durable as well. And if this is a toothbrush, yeah, you probably wanna see how well it actually performs and what makes it better than the one you already have. Well, this Laifen Wave has both a 60-degree oscillation, which is the motion you see moving back and forth side to side while also vibrating at the same time. Now, this 60-degree oscillation is also the dentist recommended bass brushing technique, and it helps to brush a wider area. And you don't need to rotate the toothbrush manually. I know a lot of times, even with some of those electric toothbrushes, you're physically moving it and manipulating it around. This covers a really large area just by holding it in place. Now, you can even check out this video that compares the oscillation range to other brands of electric toothbrushes. Just look at the size of the red line that shows their range. And then when we get to the Laifen Wave, you can see how much larger its range is compared to its competitors. Now, if you want to see the vibration frequency, we can do a fun little test here. And I'm just going to put the toothbrush head in this glass of water with my previous toothbrush, okay? And then let's see what happens and compare it to the Laifen Wave. And I think that you can see the difference. The Laifen Wave creates a little ripple wave effect that's a lot more dramatic than other electric toothbrushes. Now, the combination of this oscillation and vibration together gives you 3 times the cleaning efficiency. And I've been using this for, I guess, over a month now, but I'm just gonna tell you, you can feel how clean your teeth feel after you brush them. They are really smooth. Like, I've had electric toothbrushes for years, but this almost feels like, I even feel how smooth it feels later in the day. And they stay cleaner longer throughout the day because that initial cleaning is just so good. Now, Laifen has their own proprietary servo system inside that uses technology previously only utilized in robotic arms. They're bringing it to toothbrushes for the first time here. And this servo system controls the brush head's 60-degree oscillations and makes sure that it's accurate to 0.1 degrees. The system also uses algorithms to generate a consistent brushing power the whole time. Even when you're pushing it a little and harder on your teeth, giving it resistance, you're still gonna get that same brushing power. Now, there are really a lot of firsts for this Laifen Wave, which makes it more than your average electric toothbrush. And some of you might be worried that, you know, maybe this will be won't be gentle enough for you if you have sensitive gums. Well, there's a specific gum care brush head. There's actually 3 brush heads that I showed you that come with it. So one of them is gum care. This is the gray one, and that's from the set of 3. It has a softer tapered bristles, so I can even feel, you know, when I'm rubbing my fingers against these different brushes, it is absolutely a softer bristle to still be gentle on your teeth and gums. Then you have the purple brush head that's ultra whitening, and the actual brush shape is like a W, so it covers more surface area to polish your teeth. And we know that this is a tech product, so there's gonna be an app that allows you to customize the experience. There are 3 settings: vibration strength, oscillation range, and oscillation speed that you can change between 1 to 10. And then there's also a high frequency mode that can increase the vibration strength to 11 to 20. Now, this app is easy, it's straightforward to use. You just slide the strength that you want and supports how long your brush time is from 1 to 5 minutes. Now, I have just really kept everything on default, and you can enable flight mode to prevent it from somehow accidentally being turned on in your bag. So what you do is you hold the button with a long press for 2 seconds before you go on your trip, and then you long press it for another 2 seconds to unlock it so that, you know, it just won't set off. Sometimes that's happened to me before with other toothbrushes. So, you know, I didn't think that I'd care about a new electric toothbrush, but the Laifen Wave, this is just a super sleek design. It's super minimalist, and it's undeniable that this oscillation and vibration for better cleaning, it works, especially compared to what I currently use. And it got me excited about getting a new toothbrush. So the Laifen Wave comes in white ABS plastic for $69. That's this one that I've been using. There's an aluminum alloy model for $79, and then a stainless steel model for $99. I went with the white because I like how it looks the most, and it's the lightest in weight of the 3. Now, you'll get the 3 brush heads. You can get additional ones, a 3-pack for $9.99 and $16.99 for a 6-pack. If you want to find out more about the Laifen Wave, check out the link in the description. But when I feature a new tech product like this on my channel, it's because it's really good. And to me, this thing is the tooth. Get it? Like, instead of truth, I said tooth. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.